Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Morgan Stanley StockPlan Connect, fast access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Morgan Stanley StockPlan Connect. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Once the home page loads, locate the Login button on the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the Login page. Here, enter your user ID in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Double-check that both entries are correct. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, click on the respective links for assistance. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. Wait for a moment while the system processes your information. If your login is successful, you will be taken to your account dashboard. From here, you can access your stock plans and other resources. If you experience any issues, look for a help or support link on the page. Follow any on-screen prompts to troubleshoot your login problem. This concludes the login process for Morgan Stanley StockPlan Connect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.